So you can see. Okay, so first of all, we will see, I'll make everything from the scratch, how to do it. And then I will send it in your Teams and your WhatsApp groups so you can make it by yourself. So I took this one. Let me just make it again. So flag, as we do all the time, forever from the control block, then motion. We will take here the if on edge bounds. Okay, we put it here. Now the second thing which you have to do is we have to check, we have to make this, the apple move like the bounce on the screen. So we will go here to the motions, take point, where is the point one? Point in direction 45. So each time the program will start, it will go to direction 45. It will go air up. And then we'll here make it here move. So it also moves. So now it will also bounce and it will also move. See? Okay. Okay. Now see. Now go to the grid and I want to make this move wherever my mouse moves. So I will take this one here. First of all, set the position of this. So the position of this will be here. So whatever position is here of the X, take it, Control C, and put it here, Control V, copy and paste. So let's make it a little bit here. Okay, -11. See, the position here is -11. So I'll also make this one -11. So each time the program will start, it will go in like this. Okay, now let's make this move. Set X to this. Now I will take this one and forever loop, and for the forever, then I will go to the here also. So wherever the mouse will, sorry, change this to this sensing mouse X. Wherever the mouse will go, this will go. Okay. In the sensing, I took the mouse X. And now I can make this. See, I'm moving this and it's going with my mouse. Now I want to make this bounce on this bread. So I will go in Apple. I will take again forever. And here we will use a new loop if. And here I will put here if touching, what is it? Bread. If it will touch the bread, I will make the variable here score. So make a variable score. Okay. So then I will change the score to 1 by 1. And each time the program will start, I will say right here set the score to 0. Okay, each time the score will start, the score will be 0. Okay, now change score by 1 is done. So let me place here the forever, this one. And judging bread, it will go back to the point move 15. Okay. Let's check. Let's check this. Okay, so it's not paddling. Okay. So let's the score is moving. See, the score is going up. So let's put the score to 0 again. Score is 0 again now. Okay. Now once you're done with this, in the bread only you have to do this one. Change X by this. So X position is 16. So take this one here. Okay. And wherever you move the mouse, it will go like this. Okay, now in the Apple, I want to make it bounce. So how it will make it bounce? Just look here. Okay. So you will write here again. Point in direction 45. Point in direction 45. Once it touches the this. Now let's check. See, each time it touches this, it will make a score here. Okay. Now you have to do only this, and once you are done, save your work from here, file, and save to your computer, and then send to me in the chat, in the WhatsApp, and see the code again. From here only I have used this. If you can also remove this from here, and you can add this here, because there already we have too much codes. So we can just take this from here and change the variable to 0 each time the program will start from here. Now we can also make one more thing. We can also make here the line. Where is the red line? Here. Okay, and I can just simply send here the message. When it touches the red line and flag clicked, we'll make this run forever again. We'll use, and if it touches the red line, sensing, we'll put this here. If it touches the line, then broadcast the message that game over. And first of all, stop all, and then where is the broadcast? Yeah, okay, broadcast, new message. Okay, dead. You can also write here game over is up to you. Now, same message you have to broadcast it here. So you will click here when I receive dead. Go to screen, go to the costume. Where is the other costume name? First check the name. Backdrop 1. Okay, go to backdrop 1. So go to backdrop 1. And when again the program will start in the events, then you have to switch back to switch costume to so switch backdrop to forest. Okay. Now see if the game will over. If you touch the red line, it will come here. And if the game is here, it will be like this. Now let's play the game again. And if it touches the red line, it will say game over. Okay. And when you press this go button again, it will start from here. Now if you have any questions, then let me know. What I did, see simple. From here, I pick this. From this one, I only set this. It's up to you. You can also set this like any of the, for example, I set to this side because I want it to be in the middle. And score should be 0 each time the program will start. And this is the apple. So now you can see the program clearly in which I have used the loops. Okay. Once you are done, let me know. Anyone have any question? They can also ask me.